Hi guys, Owen here, welcome back to the channel. Let's go over some great affordable ways to promote and drive traffic. Promoting your website through ads is an effective way to increase its visibility, attract targeted traffic, and drive conversions. While there are various advertising methods available, it's important to find the most affordable options that suit your budget without compromising the effectiveness of your campaigns. In this article, we will explore some of the best and most affordable ways to promote your website through ads and how to implement them. 1. Pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. Pay-per-click advertising allows you to display your ads on search engines or other websites, and you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. This method ensures that you're only paying for actual visits to your website. Google Ads is one of the most popular PPC advertising platforms, offering keyword-based search ads and display ads on its extensive network. To make PPC advertising affordable, focus on optimizing your campaigns. Conduct thorough keyword research to target relevant and less competitive keywords. Long-tail keywords often have lower costs and can attract more qualified traffic. Use negative keywords to prevent irrelevant clicks and wasted spend. Continuously monitor and adjust your campaigns to improve their performance and maximize your return on investment, ROI. 2. Social media advertising. Social media platforms provide cost-effective opportunities to promote your website through ads. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn offer various ad formats and targeting options to reach your desired audience. They allow you to define your budget, target specific demographics, interests, behaviors, and even retarget users who have visited your website before. To keep social media advertising affordable, start with a clear understanding of your target audience. Refine your targeting parameters to ensure your ads are displayed to the most relevant users. Experiment with different ad formats, such as image ads, video ads, or carousel ads, to find the ones that resonate best with your audience. Monitor the performance of your ads, optimize them based on engagement and conversions, and adjust your budget accordingly. 3. Remarketing campaigns. Remarketing campaigns are a cost-effective way to reconnect with users who have previously visited your website. By targeting these users with tailored ads as they browse other websites or platforms, you can encourage them to return and convert. Remarketing campaigns can be implemented through platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising platforms. To ensure affordability in remarketing campaigns, focus on segmenting your audience based on the previous interactions with your website. Create customized ads that address their specific interests or abandoned cart items. Set frequency caps to avoid overwhelming users with too many impressions. Continually analyze the performance of your remarketing campaigns and refine them to improve your conversion rates. 4. Content marketing and native advertising. Content marketing and native advertising allow you to promote your website through valuable content placements that seamlessly integrate with the user experience. These methods are often less expensive compared to traditional display advertising and can generate organic traffic and brand awareness. Create high-quality, informative content that aligns with your target audience's interests and pain points. Publish this content on your website's blog and promote it through native advertising platforms like Outbrain or Taboola. Native ads are designed to blend with the surrounding content, providing a non-disruptive advertising experience. This approach can help attract engaged users who are genuinely interested in your offerings. 5. Collaborate with influencers and affiliates. Partnering with influencers and affiliates can be an affordable way to promote your website through ads. Influencers have established audiences that trust their recommendations, and affiliates can drive traffic through their own marketing efforts. You can negotiate cost-effective partnerships, such as pay-for-performance models or revenue-sharing agreements. Our online business app has a great affiliate program, with many tools. Please check out in the description below. Research and identify influencers or affiliates whose audience aligns with your target market. Reach out to them and propose collaboration opportunities. Provide them with clear guidelines, creative assets, and incentives to promote your website effectively. Monitor the performance of these collaborations and nurture ongoing relationships with top-performing influencers or affiliates. In conclusion, promoting your website through ads doesn't have to break the bank. By leveraging cost-effective methods like PPC advertising, social media advertising, remarketing campaigns, content marketing, native advertising, and collaborations with influencers and affiliates, you can drive targeted traffic and increase your website's visibility without exceeding your budget. Remember to continuously analyze and optimize your ad campaigns to ensure maximum effectiveness and ROI. With strategic planning and careful execution, affordable ad promotion can help you achieve your website's marketing goals and drive business growth. Please like, comment and subscribe, and check out the links in the description. See you on the inside.